Customer 298.
Our serving time for our dessert is around 10 to 2 minutes.
Sarap tayo.
Hey guys, almusaw tayo. Binutom ang trabahante. Ang dami kong order na. Ano tawag nito? Tacos. Nachos.
Beef nachos, if you will. You don't know what nachos are? It's Mexican food.
Alam ko, bawal to eh. Maglaway kayo. Tawag nito?
Salad.
Hindi ba to yung Caesar salad?
That's not Caesar because the dressing is balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar.
Oh my God. Akala ko ba naman Caesar
That's Caesar
salad?
salad.
Nachos.